In the real world, your website is going to have multiple pages. And the way you design that is that you create multiple HTML pages and you link it with one another. So let's say you have certain navigation over here, you can create certain buttons that link from one page to the other. And as for the styles, you will keep all of your styles in one or few style sheets, which is going to have all the styles. And all of your pages are going to share that particular style sheet. So I'm going to show you that in a demonstration right here. So over here, let's say I'm going to create a navigation in my website. So over here in my header, I'm going to just create a nav element. And inside, I'm going to create two links. So let's say about.html and make another one, let's say contact.html. Or actually, it's going to be home. So it's going to be home and about. So home, about, and this one is going to be index.html. So that's the home page, right? So save, refresh, and the links are over here. And just for good design, I'm going to move this over here, and this blog information or the logo is going to be on the left-hand side. So in my styles, I'm going to come over here, and over here, I'm simply going to say nav is going to float on the left, or sorry, right. And this is going to be on the right. I'm sorry, left over here. Save, refresh, and you see this is on the right, this is on the left. And naturally, you saw that since these elements are floated, the parent, which is the header, actually does not know they have children. So that's why the spacing is messed up. So I can simply come over here and say overflow hidden to fix that issue. Save, refresh, and you see that padding is back in and the design is good. Now I'm going to create a few pages over here, or actually just one page, which is going to be an about.html. So I've created this about.html and I've basically just copied the entire thing. So I'm just going to simply make sure the copy is correct. So I'm going to simply copy and paste all the content of index.html to about.html. So save, refresh, and if I click on about, it's going to be simply the replica. So basically, this is a replica page. You can have a different design over here, or sort of different layout, or a different information over here. So let's say you are in the header area, and you're going to simply say the title of the page, which is, let's say, about dash site name. Save, refresh, and you see the title is different. And then let's say maybe in the body area, you do not want the picture, let's say in this case, or maybe a different picture. So you remove that. So you see this information is missing over here. All right. So you go to the home page, which has this information. You go to the about page. It does not have the information. Maybe in the about page information, instead of having these multiple articles, I'm going to remove all these. You may have one article over here and you may have the about information. So I'm going to remove this and say about me here. All right, save, and you can have all this information, let's say over here. So some kind of content, so maybe multiple paragraphs. So I'm going to make a copy of these, save, refresh, and you see this is the about information. So homepage and about page. Now, what's happening really over here is that your styles are basically again coming from this particular style sheet. And that's how you design a website which has common styles. That's why the entire website looks the same, and you just link one page to another, and hence you have a website. Now, this, what I coded in the few videos that I've shown you, has been very fast, maybe in your opinion. And the reason for that is that I've already done the prep work for my website. So I already know which colors look good. I've already pre-selected the colors. I've pre-selected the content. I've pre-selected the padding, which looks good, what does not look good. So when you are creating a website, it's not going to take you one hour or 2 hours. It may take you a lot of hours to actually put this together because you're going to be doing a lot of planning, right? So coding is not as difficult. You saw coding did not take time, but you actually have to plan what looks good, what does not look good. You change it, you fix it, you make a little bit changes here and there, you tweak it, and you make it perfect. And the best way to become good at something is to do a ton of practice. So I recommend you that you make your first website, which is your own yourname.com website. Design it, spend hours days, weeks on it, make it good, keep on making it better, keep on updating it, and put it live and put your mark on the internet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to talk to you in the next.